Hi Matthew, it's Joe at Georgetown Chevrolet. We're doing the vehicle health inspection on your vehicle, and we found that the front brakes and the rear brakes are both pretty much worn out. You can see here that the front brake pad here is, the lining itself is down to about 2 millimeters, and that's when General Motors says they are time to be replaced. And I also just put I got another brake pad here just to show you the difference between the new one, which is about 10 millimeters. Okay, and then like I said, I'm just showing it beside yours. So you got about 2 millimeters left on yours, which is worn out. Now the brake rotors on the inbound side, right here my fingers are, you're getting quite a big rust ridge, about 3/8 of an inch in from the top, and also, but again, about 3/8 of an inch from the bottom as well. So in the fronts, we are definitely recommending the front brake pads and the rotors. Now I'm just going to walk you over to the rear here as well and show you what's going on with the rear brakes. So the rear brakes, the brake pads again, they're getting rather thin, but on the inbound side of the brake rotor, as you can see here, this is getting a really big rust ridge. It's almost like 3/16 of an inch of a rust buildup on the inbound side of the rear brake rotors, which is also gouging the brake pads. So if I was to get these down to working 100%, again, the rear brakes would be worn out. And again, I'll just compare it to a brand new pad for you as well. So we've got, again, side by side, the rear brake pads are also worn out, because a new brake pad is about 10 millimeters. Yours are, again, down to about 2 millimeters as well. So we are recommending replacement of the front and rear brake pads and rotors. I will be phoning you and following up with a quote for you as well.